How to use Mailchimp. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can use Mailchimp. So firstly, come on to mailchimp.com. Over here, you guys are going to see their dashboard. So now from over here, by clicking on the products, you guys can see all of their services. You guys have their audience management, creative tools, market automation, insights, and analytics. And you guys can even get your business online and also market your business with their tools as well. So let's take a look at the pricing and see what plan suits us and proceed. So they have 4 different plans. The first plan is the premium plan starting at $300 per month. Then you have their second plan, which is going to start at $17 per month. Then you have their essentials plan, which is going to start at $11 per month. And then you have their free plan. So you guys can choose to start with their free plan and you will get all of these features. So click on sign up free, and then after that, that's going to take you over to another page. So now from over here, simply sign up in just a few seconds and I'll catch you guys in 1 minute. So once you guys have signed up, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. So from over here, you guys can click on send your first email and you'll be able to choose from a pre-designed template or use their drag and drop builder to launch a campaign in minutes. You guys can even start an automation. You guys can also create a website as well. And then below that, you guys have more options. On the left side, you guys can choose the audience that you have. You guys can add in contacts. You guys can make sign up forms. You guys can have surveys. You guys can have your inbox open as well. You guys can even run campaigns, automate your services such as retargeting ads, transactional email, customer journeys. And then also over here, you guys have the option to set up your own website using their drag and drop builder. And you guys can have all the features such as an appointments tab and also a create a store, add products, and manage orders for your business, complete store as well. And then you guys have the options to do some integrations. You guys even have the option to do some content studio as well. So all in all, these are all the features that you get with Mailchimp. You guys can simply click on create and you guys can start building one of these. So guys, this was a quick review of Mailchimp. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care. Till next time, goodbye.